Hi there, I'm Pam from Mommy Knows Best, and I wanted to show you yet another way to use our delicious chocolate Brewer's yeast powder. Today we'll be making a Berry Lactation Smoothie Bowl. You'll need a blender and a few simple ingredients. First up, a banana. You can use frozen if you like your smoothie bowls a little bit thicker, or fresh if not. Half a cup of frozen mixed berries, a half a teaspoon of our chocolate Brewer's yeast, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and half a cup of almond milk. I like to use vanilla unsweetened. Mix until thoroughly blended. Now from here, you can pour it right into a cup and enjoy it as a smoothie, or for a fun new twist, you can pour it into a bowl and eat it as a smoothie bowl. And top with any garnishments you wish. I prefer to use fresh berries, some granola,